Hi, I'm Swati and I'm here today to share the 5 essential e-commerce trends in 2024. So whether you're a marketer, a growth manager, or a product manager, these e-commerce trends are essential for you to stay ahead in the game. So let's dive right in. Imagine a customer journey where visitors find a personal store experience on your website and your customers are informed about new arrivals that are tailor-made just for them. They have relevant reminders coming on their favorite channels without any spamming. By connecting these touch points, hyper-personalization creates a seamless web of interactions that dramatically increases your conversion and engagement rates. Next, we have the trend of AR and VR in e-commerce. AR and VR is revolutionizing online shopping by enabling you to try on virtual experiences so that you know what the product looks like. Have you ever tried lipstick shades online to see which one suits your face the best? Or imagine this. Confused about which lamp would complement the palm tree in the corner of your living room? Well, now you have to wonder no more. Try before you buy, even online. Now let's discuss inbox commerce. Have you heard of it? It brings your online store right into the inbox of your customer. This insanely cool approach removes the need altogether to leave the inbox for actions like adding items to your shopping cart, provides immediate updates within your email, even allows for direct payment within the email, and ultimately creates a shopping experience that delights your customers. We are entering a cookieless world, and that complicates marketers' lives. Collecting first-party data with web messages and other online channels has become more important than ever. Retargeting is harder. First-party data is the way forward. Social commerce has emerged as the trend in the e-commerce landscape. Leveraging the massive user base and engagement of Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube, social commerce integrates shopping experiences into social interactions. And there you have it, the top e-commerce trends of 2024. But if you need more trends to watch out for, check out our blog link in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more MarTech insights. Thanks for watching and see you next time.